Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of opening an E-Trade account, showcasing all its features. Before we get started, let's look at the eligibility requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and a U.S. resident. Step 1 is simple. Visit the E-Trade website at etrade.com to begin. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Open an Account button and click it. Now, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to open: individual, joint, or retirement accounts available. Next, fill in your personal information such as your name, address, and social security number as required. Now, create a secure username and password for your account to protect your personal information. To start trading, you'll need to fund your account by linking a bank account and making an initial deposit. Make sure to review all your information before submitting your application. Once you're ready, hit that submit button. Congratulations! Now that your account is open, you can start exploring and trading. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the platform.